Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Kirkland's and just came to see what type of Christmas items that they did have. So I see that they still have these monogram large ornaments here. They had these last year and I think the year before last. And I'm not sure the prices of these. Let's see, they're $34.99. I should remember this. This is my favorite store actually. They have these boxes here. Claus and Company Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Let's see, the price of these are $29.99. They have these little table decors right here, this little house that lights up. Let's see, $24.99 for that. They have this wall decor right here for $12.99. It says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." They have these milk containers here, fresh cut trees, $14.99. All right, they have this truck down here. These are some large red trucks, guys. Look at those. And they actually light up as well. They come with the Christmas trees on the back. They look like, I want to say they're $54.99. Yeah, $54.99 for those. They have the snowman down here. They have this wall decor right here for $27.99. And these little floor arrangements here for $25.99. Guys, if you can't hear me and I sound muffled, that's because I have my mask on. Look at that wall decor up there for $31.99. We have these galvanized trees here for $19.99. And they have these candles up here, Cranberry Wreath. These are going for $9.99 each. Alright, so those pillows right there that says Merry Christmas, those are going for $24.99. They have these little snowmen. They have the one in silver and the one in red. The one in silver is, and they all actually light up here. Let's see, $15.99 for those. They have these pillows here, $19.99, has a reindeer. They have these table decors right here with the bells and the pine cones, the berries for $29.99. They have the potpourri here in the bags for $12.99. They have it in red and they have it in green here. $12.99 as well. They have the different, looks like cranberry apple cider. These are hand soap, air freshener spray, and hand lotions. And they have it in the cranberry apple and cinnamon, citrus, pine, and spruce. And these are going for $19.99. So they have all of that up there. They have these pillows here that says "Oh Christmas." These are $29. They have this oversized plush throw here for $14.99. That's very pretty. They have this color and they have that color there. They have that Believe pillow right there. Not sure what the price of it is, but I'm going to find out for you. $19.99. So pretty much all the pillows are $19.99. $29.99. They have this one right here, $19. They have a lot of pillows, guys, down at the bottom there. All right, so they have a lot of wall decor here. The Jingle Bells picture up there, I'm not sure the price. I'm pretty sure it's on the back. They have the Merry and Bright wall decor for $29.99. That's very pretty. They have this one right here for $49.99. They have this wall decor right here for $74.99. That's very, very cute with the little dogs on the back. They have this very large lantern here, and the price of it is going for $139.99. That's very pretty. pretty. We have this wall decor right here. I'm not sure what the price of it is, but it's very pretty. It has the wreath on the front. A Very Merry Christmas, $39.99. In this house, we believe, $49.99. And this one right here, Good Tidings of Comfort and Joy, $54.99. Alright guys, so they have the large ornaments here. They have them in green, red, and the off-white color for $15.99. They have this sleigh right here. And galvanized sleigh. And the price of it is going for $39.99. They have the gnomes here in the red and green. $12.99. They have the little scatter here that you can put inside of your closet, anywhere like that. I don't see a price on these. They have the swan lanterns right here for $16.99. And as you can see, they have tons and tons of ornaments, guys. I'm not sure where these ornaments are. They normally have them out. They probably haven't put them out yet. But I'm just going to give you a little snippet of some that they do have. $6.99 for this tree here. They have this little snowman right here, $6.99. They have this big black ornament here, $4.99. So the ornaments are very reasonable in price. $6.99 for that. They have this little peace sign right here. They have these little snow boots right here, $7.99. The little camper here, $6.99. They have the little reindeer. They have this ornament right here. And they also have one of the green trees right here as well, guys. Those are very nice. Here is a Mary ornament. We have that one right there. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. $6.99. All right, so they have this little pretty tree right here for $19.99. There's another Believe pillow here, and it's going for $19. There's a lot of those lanterns down there as well. And some more of the green ornaments here, the bigger ones. These are really nice. I like these. Alright, I'm going to move around over here. These pillows right here, I couldn't get to those early, but I'm glad they have them out for $19. It has a little reindeer on the front. They have the Snowman Hat here for $19.99. And I was going to see what was in this basket, but there's nothing in the basket. Here's some galvanized ornaments here for $9.99. And they also have them in the black checkered and the red and black checkered. And I also see another color over here. They have that one as well. And these are all going for $5.99. Alright guys, so here are the ornaments that I was telling you about that was on the tree. So they have the little red trucks right here for $6.99. They have the little black and white snow boots. And they have these ones right here I showed you for $7.99. They have that there. There's also that camper for $6.99. They have the red and white bells right here for $6.99. Those are very pretty. They have this one right here, this Noel ornament, $6.99. $6.99 for the joy. And they have those trees. They have them in this this tan colored green and red, as you can see. And there's those black ornaments again. And I have these ornaments right here, the white, the silver. These are going for $5.99. All right, guys, here's some more ornaments right here for $6.99. They have this one as a tree. They have this one right here. And they have the Santa one as well. They have a bag of the ornaments here for $14.99. You get it in red, green, and white. They have the Believe signs here. They have Joy and Mary, and these are going for $6.99. They have the star here for $9.99, and you get it in the brown wood, the red, and I think they have that dark brown there. And those are going for $9.99. And here's some of the letters, guys. I can't really too much tell. They have an A and a B, but they have them all here, and they're going for $6.99. If you can see those. All right, guys, so I'm here at the Wall of Reeves, is what I call it here, because they have some very nice wreaths here. But I'm going to start with this one right here with the bow. It's $29.99. They have that one there with the pine cones. They have this pretty one right here, very beautiful. You can see that. And as you go up, they have this one here, and they have the one that says Merry Christmas. And I couldn't find a price for this one right here, but I did find one here, and the price of it is $49.99. And guys, they also have a blue one. Look how beautiful that is. That's going for $35.99. And they have the white ones here, and they go all the way up. And they also have these door hangers here for the Reeves, for the walls. They have this one right here for $24.99. And they have these smaller ones right here. If you can see the smaller ones here, and they are going for $17.99. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to pop into Kirkland's to see what they had to offer. I know this is not everything that they have, because the store is normally lit up with all of Christmas items, so they still have Halloween items out and their basic everyday items that they normally have out. But I want to thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Miss Queen Bee. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thanks so much again for stopping by my channel again today, guys, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys. I love that lantern right there. All right, guys, so I am out of here. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.